The abdomen is like the engine room of your body. It holds many important organs that keep you alive and kicking. This area, below your diaphragm and above your pelvis, is jam-packed with organs that work tirelessly. We're talking about your stomach, liver, pancreas, intestines, kidneys, and more. Think of your abdominal cavity as a busy city. Each organ has a specific job to do, and they all work together to keep the city running smoothly. Your digestive system breaks down food, your liver filters toxins, and your kidneys remove waste. The abdominal muscles, like a protective wall, surround these vital organs. These muscles help you move, twist, and bend, and they also protect your organs from injury. It's important to keep your abdominal muscles strong to support your organs and prevent problems like hernias. Let's start with the stomach, a muscular bag that acts like a food processor. When you eat, your stomach churns the food, breaking it down with powerful acids. These acids are so strong they can dissolve some metals. Don't worry though, your stomach lining protects itself from these acids. The stomach also produces enzymes, special proteins that help break down food even further. This mixture of food, acid, and enzymes then moves into the small intestine for the next stage of digestion. The stomach plays a crucial role in digestion, ensuring that your body can absorb the nutrients it needs from the food you eat. Next up is the liver, the largest internal organ in your body, located on the right side of your abdomen. The liver is like a busy factory, working non-stop to perform over 500 functions. One of its main jobs is to filter your blood, removing toxins and waste products. The liver also produces bile, a digestive juice that helps break down fats in the small intestine. But that's not all. The liver also plays a crucial role in metabolism, helping your body use carbohydrates, fats, and proteins for energy. It even stores vitamins and minerals for later use. The liver is truly a multitasking marvel, essential for keeping your body healthy and functioning. Section 4, pancreas, power digestion and blood sugar control. Now let's talk about the pancreas, a small but mighty organ located behind the stomach. The pancreas is like a two-in-one superhero, playing a vital role in both digestion and blood sugar regulation. First, it releases enzymes into the small intestine to help break down carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. These enzymes are essential for the final stages of digestion, ensuring that your body can absorb all the nutrients it needs. Second, the pancreas produces insulin, a hormone that regulates blood sugar levels. Insulin acts like a key, allowing sugar to enter your cells and provide them with energy. Without enough insulin, your blood sugar levels can rise, leading to health problems like diabetes. Section 5. The intestines. The small intestine is incredibly efficient at absorption, ensuring that your body gets the maximum benefit from the food you eat. The remaining waste products then move into the large intestine, where water is absorbed and the waste is compacted into stool. The large intestine plays a crucial role in maintaining fluid balance and eliminating waste from the body. Section 6. The kidneys, your body's filtration system. Last but not least, we have the kidneys, two bean-shaped organs located in the back of your abdomen. Think of your kidneys as your body's filtration system, working tirelessly to remove waste products from your blood. Your blood constantly circulates through your kidneys, which filter out waste products like urea and creatinine. These waste products are then excreted from the body in the form of urine. The kidneys also help regulate blood pressure, electrolyte balance, and red blood cell production. Without properly functioning kidneys, waste products would build up in your body, leading to serious health problems. The kidneys are essential for maintaining the delicate balance of fluids and electrolytes in your body. Section 7. Working together, a symphony of life. In conclusion, the organs in your abdomen work together in a delicate balance to keep you healthy. From breaking down food to filtering waste, these organs are essential for life. Understanding how your abdominal organs work can help you make healthier choices and appreciate the amazing complexity of the human body. Remember, a healthy lifestyle, including a balanced diet and regular exercise, can go a long way in keeping your abdominal organs functioning properly.